Tired of having your web scraping scripts break down every time a website changes its layout? Try enhancing your Python web scraping scripts by integrating AI. Today, I'll show you how to do that. Traditional web scraping with Python works great when pages are stable. You write selectors, map fields, and start collecting data. But when website layout changes, your scraper breaks. AI changes that. Instead of telling your code where each value lives in the DOM, you let an AI model interpret the page as a whole. The result? Your scraper works even when layout change, because AI focuses on meaning, not structure. Let's see how this works with an example. We'll scrape product data from scrapeme.live. I'll walk you through a complete workflow from fetching HTML to getting clean, structured data. For this tutorial, you'll need Python, a few libraries, an OpenAI API key, and residential proxies. Start by installing the required packages. Open your terminal and run this command. Next, you'll need an OpenAI API key. Go to platform.openai.com, sign in, and navigate to API keys in your profile menu. Click Create New Secret Key, copy it, and save it securely. You won't see it again. Make sure to set up billing in the settings. The API requires an active payment method. Note that the API is separate from ChatGPT Plus subscription. To use your API key without hard-coding it, export it as an environment variable. Run this command in your terminal. Make sure to run the script from the same terminal session so the environment variable is available. So let's write the scraper. Open a text file and start by importing the necessary libraries. We import JSON for parsing responses, Re for cleaning HTML, Request for fetching pages, Beautiful Soup for HTML processing, and the OpenAI client for AI extraction. Next, set the configuration. Define the demo URL you'll scrape, the output file path, and the maximum HTML size the AI will process. To avoid blocks, get Decodo residential proxies from our dashboard and copy your credentials. Replace these placeholders with your actual username and password. Now, create a function to fetch HTML. This sends a GET request with a custom user agent, a 30-second timeout, and routes traffic through your Decodo proxy. If successful, it returns the HTML content. The next function cleans the HTML. It removes script, style, and no script tags that aren't useful for extraction. Then, it collapses whitespace and truncates the result to stay within token limits. Now comes the AI extraction. This function sends the cleaned HTML to OpenAI's API with clear instructions. We initialize the OpenAI client and create a completion request. The model is set to GPT 5.2. In the instructions, we tell the model exactly what to do. Extract product data from the HTML, return only valid JSON matching the schema, and use null for missing fields. The input contains the URL and cleaned HTML. The response format is defined as a JSON schema. It expects an object with title, price, and currency fields. All can be strings or null. The schema is marked as strict, which ensures the model follows it exactly. Finally, parse the response and return the structured data. To save the results, create a simple function that appends each record to a JSONL file. JSONL works great for pipelines because you can add records one by one. Now, tie everything together in the main function. Fetch the HTML, clean it, send it to the AI, and save the result. Then, print confirmation. Finally, add the standard Python entry point. Save the script as a Python file and run it in your terminal. In a moment, you'll see the extracted data printed in the console and a new JSON lines file containing the structured product information. That's the complete AI scraping workflow. Python fetches and prepares the content, AI extracts structured data, and validation ensures the results are usable. This approach works for any website. Product pages, articles, listings. As long as the content is there, AI can extract it without rigid selectors. When you're ready to scale, you can add retries, handle pagination, or integrate with workflow engines. The core pattern stays the same. Ready to try it yourself? Get Decodo residential proxies with a free trial to avoid IP blocks while scraping. The link is in the video description along with a full code from this tutorial. For more AI scraping tips and automation guides, check out our blog, and I'll see you in the next video.